Okay, football season is underway along with all the game day parties. Here with some cool ideas for your bash, registered dietitian and author Ashley Hawk. Welcome back.
Thank you so much for having me, Maria.
This is so pretty. I mean, I don't even know where to start. They all look so good, but what can we do here? This is fun.
Well, guess what? When I put all of this together, all I had to do was pick up a few items and then elevate it. Because I don't know about you, I love football season, but it's always a little daunting if I'm the one that's hosting the football watch party.
Sure.
Can you relate?
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, don't worry. I'm so proud to partner with Albertsons because they've literally been your one-stop shop to make it so easy to host a festive game day bash. And I'm going to show you how all it takes is a few items and a few tips and tricks to get that wow factor.
Okay. So let's start with the shrimp shooters.
Yes, of course.
Really good.
Well, so when I was getting my master's in nutritional science, we learned about the importance of lean proteins. And you always want to incorporate those on the table to encourage your guests and yourself to eat them, which is why I love doing these festive shrimp shooters. All you have to do is pick up the pre-made tray.
But you make this very easy here with the little cups.
Exactly. So we have our little cups, then we've added our cocktail sauce on the bottom, and then you put your festive toothpick in. It's easy for your fans and your folks to hold with one hand and then have their drink in the other hand. So it's a little one-handed snack there.
I love that. Who doesn't like the shrimp cocktail?
Exactly. Now, another little nutrition pointer I want to include is we all want to aim to eat that 5 servings of fruits and vegetables every day. And an easy way to do that is by having a very inviting grazing table. What we've done is we've picked up the pre-made vegetable and charcuterie board from Albertsons, but then we've elevated it by turning it into this football-themed grazing table.
This is so cute. I don't know if you guys can see this, but she made this look like a football.
Exactly, and it's so easy to do.
How do
Okay,
you do that?
so here we're using our Lucerne cheese. It's our string cheese. I'm going to have you peel that apart. We're going to turn it into our laces.
Oh my
and
gosh.
a fun fact about this is their dairy actually comes from a plant in Southern California, and I always think it's nice when your food comes from close to home, right?
Of course.
So from there, we're going to take our string cheese laces and we're going to put it on top of our hummus.
That's so
and then you
clever.
can make yours the ones that go in the middle. Literally anyone can do this. It is that easy, and it's really going to make your guests feel like you put a little extra thought into it, and it's going to encourage them to then nibble on some of the fresh fruits and vegetables as well.
It's important to get all the recommended daily
Exactly. We want to get all those
nutrients,
nutrients, but also make it fun. And if you don't even have the time to do that, look how beautiful this fruit platter is. You can literally just pick that up and walk out the door.
And then sandwiches, of course,
Of course.
winners.
So we need our entree. And I mentioned earlier, I think a winning point about football game food is being able to hold it with one hand, hold the drink in the other hand, and still have your conversation. So a sandwich station makes it really simple to do that, but you can put your own individual flair on it by creating the sandwich station playbook, where they're able to upgrade it with certain things that are spicy or fresh. So you've got things like your Chipotle garlic aioli or little pickles that can go on top of your sandwiches, so it's easy to eat and enjoy.
Wow. Now you got to have some dessert,
of course. Yes. Well, so the Overjoyed line by Albertsons makes it so easy to celebrate the joy in the everyday. All you have to do is pick up some of their pre-made cupcakes and then get the cake cones, and you can turn it into these adorable cupcake cake cones that you see down there.
I've never seen this before, by the way. This is the most clever thing, and it looks like the easiest thing to do now that you've explained it to me.
Yes,
wow.
And then if you want to also just go for the dessert tray table, then all you're going to do is pick up the chocolate cupcakes, as you saw earlier, and I want to show you how simple it is to turn the regular coconut into that green that you see down there.
Okay.
We're using the Overjoyed shredded coconut, and from there we've added just a little bit of a natural green food coloring. Then you're just going to stir it together, and you're going to start to see that green color come in, and it's going to look just like the turf on your football field.
So easy.
It's so fun. And then they also have the Overjoyed sprinkles, which are easy to put on there. There's all sorts of treats. If you go in and look in the store too, they've got cupcakes, they've got the fudge bites, they've got cookies. It really is just like a kid in a candy store.
You definitely make it easy, look easy, Ashley, and of course you can just pick this up. It's like,
well, and if it couldn't get any easier, you can actually download the Albertsons, Vons, and Pavillions app, and you can pre-shop for everything on there, so it's ready to go when you pull up. You don't even have to go into the store to look for it. So download the app, and you can also go in store and shop if you want, or have it delivered directly to your car.
No excuse for not having a terrific game day party.
Exactly.
With all of this. All right, Ashley, thank you so much. For more on this and other tips, all you have to do is go to Ashley's website at ashleyhawkrd.com.
That's right. Go Rams!
Go, go Rams!